Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fix Twitch error code 3000 and get videos playing smoothly again on Twitch in 2026. Make sure to follow the instructions till the end. For the immediate fixes for this, there are three methods, and one of the simplest method is checking Twitch on the private mode or incognito. And if you didn't have the error 3000, it means that one of your browser extensions, like an ad blocker, is causing the conflict. For the second method is disabling hardware acceleration. To do that, we must go to settings. To go to settings, on the top right corner of your screen, click on the three dots and scroll down until you see settings. Inside the settings page, on your left side of your screen, find system. Click on the system, and if your use graphic acceleration is on, you can just toggle it off. For the third method, we could just clear our browser cache and cookies to remove all the corrupted data. To do that, go to settings once again and find privacy and security. In here, go to third-party cookies and click on the CO site data and permissions. In the filter site, search for Twitch and click on the bin icon to remove all the cache or the corrupted data. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.